The sum of three consecutive odd integers is 87. Find the integers. Let's first make a note that odd integers are separated by 2 units. For example, to get from 3 to 5, we would have to add 2 units. Sometimes that seems anti-intuitive to students. We begin by identifying variables. Let's let x represent the first odd integer. Then the next consecutive odd integer, like we just talked about, will be x plus 2. And then finally, the third odd integer would be 2 more, or x plus 4. Okay, once we identify the variables, the next thing to do is set up an algebraic equation. Now, I notice here the key word is sum. The sum indicates that we should add these integers up. So the first integer plus the next odd integer, x plus 2, and then plus that third odd integer. These are all consecutive, so we have x plus 4. That has to equal, the sum is 87. So we'll set that equal to 87, and there's our algebraic setup. Once we set that up, we can then use algebra to solve it. Here we have same side like terms. 3x plus 6 equals 87. Subtracting 6 on both sides, we'll have 3x equals 81. And then dividing both sides by 3, we'll have a result for the first odd integer. 81 divided by 3 is 27. Now we're not quite done. We have to go back and determine the 3 consecutive odd integers. So if x is the first odd integer, well, the next one then is 2 more than that, so 27 plus 2 would be 29. And then the third consecutive odd integer would be 31. Now typically we want to answer a word problem in sentence form. So in this particular case we'll say the 3 consecutive odd integers are 27, 29, and 31. And as a check, we can make sure that they add up to 87.